At this point in time, we are itching and hopefully closer to the release of the first rollout of One UI 5 beta, which is expected on the Galaxy S22 series. All things coming together, we should still be expecting to see One UI 5 beta out within a week's time at the time of this recording, which indeed has us excited and hyped to see what Samsung are bringing with their version of Android 13. In the meantime, we might just have gotten a first initial look at what should be One UI 5 beta. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. We are getting closer to One UI 5 beta, so let's discuss what we think we know so far. Now, before we go forward, this is not an official showcase of One UI 5 beta, as that is still expected to be released sometime in the third week of July. As stated before, we are in the second week of July, so we are about a week away to go. So hold on to your horses, as we at SamMobile are the home of all things One UI coverage related, and we will be sure to be all over it, giving you all the details on new features and improvements discovered on the way. For now, this initial leaked first look at One UI 5 beta was reported over by the folks over at 9to5 Google, who somehow managed to get hands-on with One UI 5 beta on the Galaxy S22. And with that, they've been able to showcase some of the early design improvements and features ahead of time. Take this though with caution, as the official beta could be different, especially as different revisions get pushed throughout the beta program. First thing we can spot are the changes to the notification center with bigger app icons and a change to the background opacity. The permissions pop-up has now changed to be in a more centralized position and follows the look of native Android 13 with the colors and shapes. Samsung looks to have added a toggle for the ultra-wideband UWB in connections, giving you more control to the end user like you would do for Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi. Samsung have also added the optical character recognition across the UI, including the Samsung keyboard, and also the built-in gallery app can now detect text from images so you can copy and share them much easier. What it looks like is 2 new gestures have been added in the lab section for multitasking, giving you the ability to swipe for split screen multitasking and swipe for pop-up view. Keeping multitasking in mind, One UI 5 looks to now show currently active apps in a quick settings area and also brings collaboration to Samsung Notes, which based on the leaked screenshot shows that you can share notes up to 100 other users who can all see live changes instantaneously. Amongst the improved design changes to the security and privacy hub, there are videos posted on Twitter by Max Weinbach and Ice Universe showcasing animation speeds and fluidity on One UI 5 beta in this very early preview. Now mind you, how these videos are recorded might not showcase the improvements in the best way until we get hands-on with it on our own Galaxy S22 devices to really see and compare. Taking this all in from what we've been shown so far, we are definitely ready to get hands-on with One UI 5 beta and run it through its paces ourselves. The road to One UI 5 is almost here. Are you as excited as we are? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.